How to option trade on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can option trade on Robinhood. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. However, first you'll have to make sure that option trading is enabled on your account. Now to do so, to enable it, I'll make a different video on how you can do so. You can check out my channel for it. Now once you have enabled option trading, if you want to option trade, what you want to do is simply open up your Robinhood there, and on your account what you want to do is you want to head into a particular stock or ETF details page, right? You can search it from the search bar, or you can simply head into it from the list, and then there you'll get the trade option. You want to simply tap on trade. Once you tap on trade, what you want to do is you'll get buy sell options, right? However, if you have option trading enabled, then you'll get the trade options, option trading option there. So you're going to select the option trading, and you can go ahead and select trade options and do so. So this way you can option trade on Robinhood. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.